Hey guys, it's Sadeja and I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna show y'all how I got this closure quick weave that I did on myself, and it was super easy. This was my first time doing a quick weave with a closure, so it's beginner friendly, and yeah, y'all should totally give it a try. So like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned. Enjoy. So I'm going to be starting off with just some cornrows, just a couple, probably had like 5 or 6. And then I'm going to take my nude cap and apply some foundation so that under my closure it looks like it's my scalp. And yeah, I'm just going to take some foundation that's kind of close to the color of my skin. It's a little bit darker, but it worked out fine. So now I'm going to be applying some hairspray just to make it tacky and the cap stay down a little bit on my head. Then I'm going to take the blow dryer and blow dry it. And that's just the first layer that we're going to be putting down. And so I just blow dry that and have the cap kind of sticking to my head a little bit. Now I'm taking some Got2b glue, and y'all already know how this goes. Like, y'all already know how to do like the ball cap method, but being that I used the closure, I didn't have to do this across the whole hairline. So I did do multiple layers, and yeah, that's the first layer Got2b glued. And so now I took the needle and thread, and I'm just sewing the cap to the braids just around the back. And I probably should have did it more around the side, but honestly I don't know how to cornrow my hair that good, so there was nothing to sew it to on the side. But it still came out fine. So after sewing that down, I'm now applying layer number 2 of hairspray and just blow drying it again and repeating the steps that y'all already saw. And at this point I'm cutting the cap off to get ready to start applying the closure. So I'm just wiping off the excess glue and making sure that the cap is melted into my skin. As y'all can see, I took some of the weave glue and just applied it on the perimeter of the closure, and then I just popped it on my head in the spot, like making sure it was center. And yeah, once I was able to get it down and secure, it was perfect. It didn't move, it didn't lift, none of that. So yeah, this glue, I was nervous about it, but it did its thing with this quick weave. Now at this point where y'all see me twisting up the closure to put it away, I would recommend taking a black wig cap, putting it on your head, like over top of the closure, over top of your whole head, and then sewing it down around the back like I did before. And like I said, sew it around the back, sew it around the side, and then cut off the part that's like where the closure is. And I would definitely recommend having a black cap, because when I be flipping my hair, flipping my tracks, you can see the nude cap in the back, and that's because like my hair is black and the cap is nude. So if you're gonna do this, definitely use a black cap after you do the little meltdown method or whatever. Now, like any other quick weave, y'all see me taking the tracks, making sure that they're long enough, and just gluing them one on top of another, stacking them on top of each other. Make sure that you don't do them too far apart because you will be able to see your nude cat. Like, after I was done and I had to go in and fill in some gaps, I could literally see the nude cat through my tracks. So make sure that you are stacking the wefts one on top of another, like close together, so that nobody will be able to clock you and be like, yeah bitch, I see that cat under there. Now I'm just repeating the same process of seeing how long of a track I need and then cutting it, gluing it, cutting it, gluing it. That's what you're going to do throughout the entire thing. This is like the easiest hairstyle ever. Literally, I didn't even record the whole thing because you just keep doing the same thing. It was super repetitive. And as long as you keep your tracks close together and as long as you cover up your cap, then you should be fine and your quick weave should come out perfect. So now y'all see that the track was not long enough to cover the sides, so I had to go in and cut some pieces. And so make sure when y'all are doing it, you know, you go back in and you cover the cap and you make sure that you glue your tracks close together. I don't care how many times I say it, y'all gotta do that. Like, that's the major part of a quick weave, is your tracks being close together and no gaps so that you can see that cat, because that's ugly, ghetto, and we don't do that over here, period. So this is pretty much the end of the tutorial, and if you like it and if you want to try it, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I would love to see y'all's pictures, so make sure you follow me on social media. And yes, this hairstyle can really last you like probably up to a month if you really know how to take care of it. But I don't wear my hair for longer than a week, so, or longer than 2 weeks, but that's just me because I'm always changing my hair. But yes, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to enjoy the rest of the video. Turn my post notifications on because I got more beginner friendly tutorials coming soon. Bye. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. It was super easy tutorial, and I hope you guys try it at home because literally anybody can do it. Like, I am not all that at doing my hair, but bitch, this look good if you ask me. So yeah, but I don't know what company I got this hair from because I did buy it at the hair store, and it is human hair. It was only like $100, but I'm not sure what the company is. But y'all need to stop sleeping on hair store hair. Like, I don't know why people be trying to act like, oh, you get it from the hair store, pack hair, da 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 da. You got to order it online. They think that you should order it online and wait a week and a half for it to come. Like, no, if I need my hair done now, I'm running to the hair store. I'm gonna go buy some hair and throw it in my head, okay? So yeah, I got this from the hair store. It's 20 inches. I really wish I got it months ago and like Never wore the hair, so I really wish that I remember what brand it was. But I'll probably do that in a separate video. I probably will show y'all how I go to the hair store and find good quality hair and put it in my head. And 20 inches for $100 with a closure, you're not finding that online. If you're finding that online, the hair is going to come and it's going to be trash. Okay? So yeah, that's actually going to be my next video. I'm going to show y'all how to go to the hair store, buy inexpensive hair, bip it up because this hair was black. And I dyed it, highlighted it a little bit. And no, I did not record that because I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know how it was going to come out. But yeah, it ended up coming out pretty good. The color looks pretty good. I just want to throw a little color in. You know, it's about to be fall time, so I don't know. Is this a fall color? I don't know. But yeah, anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if y'all want to see more hair tutorials because that's what I like to do. You know, sitting in front of the mirror and doing my hair is therapeutic to me. And ignore my nails. I try to do them myself. Never again. But yeah. Bye, y'all.